Today, I want to share my experience of using Grok 3, an AI tool that is in its beta phase, created by Elon Musk and his team. It's currently in beta but has quickly become my favorite tool for research work. It saves me a ton of time. Just few months ago, my research routine was quite tedious. I would allocate time to explore a topic, then dive into endless Google searches. Each query would lead to multiple tabs open with articles. Managing those tabs turned into a chaotic task. I would sift through each link, copying key points into documents for later use so that I can use them in my blog posts later. Or if it's for personal project, I would have to make decisions. Sometimes I would not be able to make decisions because I did not have enough evidence which tool would be best suited for me. Then I discovered AI tools. ChatGPT was all over the internet. It became the first tool in history to get more than 1 million subscribers in just 5 days of the launch. Anyways, I started using ChatGPT and after that I switched to cloud. Then Google launched Gemini, so I switched over to it, but it was not that impressive. So I went back to ChatGPT and started using it regularly. Then I came across Grok and then Grok 3. And it has been a game changer for me. Whenever I need to research, I just open Grok 3. By the way, there is a standalone app which is launched in the App Store, so you can install it from there. So now I open Grok 3 and I just ask it a question and it instantly looks through countless pages online analyzing content at lightning speed. Which used to take me more than an hour is now done in under a minute. Let me give you a practical example. I was recently researching how people use Apple's AI feature, which is Apple Intelligence, and Grok 3 gave me a solid starting point, allowing me to dive deeper and compile insightful blog content. It even helped me compare various tools efficiently, which would have otherwise taken hours. I just type my question and then see Grok 3 going everywhere looking for information on all the pages. I can see it being done in nanoseconds, which used to take me hours sitting on my computer, then copying notes from here and there and compiling into a document so that I can use it in a blog post. It now does it magically. I mean, I don't have words to explain how amazing it is for research work and how much time it saves me with every single research. All of it is on the free tier. They do have a premium subscription, but I don't require it even though I'm using it so much. I think the limit is 15 queries for every 2 hours and I just surpassed it once in my usage of 3 weeks. And I also have been trying their image generation model. All of this can be done inside this application only, like a chat interface. Just imagine whatever you want to create and it will give it for you. It will actually give you 4 versions. All the AI tools give you 4 versions out of which you can select and then you can continue enhancing it. So it's an amazing tool and it is for free, so you can try it and see it for yourself. If it works for you, then amazing. Otherwise, there are other tools as well. You can use whatever you want as per your requirement. But for me, Grok 3 is currently the best AI tool available in the market right now, and that too for free. So that's it in this video. I find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.